YouTube, what's going on? Kyle again from ePoolSupply. Today we are back with a quick fix on Pentair's Kreepy Krauly Legend. This is the Legend 2 pressure side pool cleaner. Stay tuned. Alright everyone, and we're back. So again, today we've got a quick fix video on Pentair's Kreepy Krauly Legend 2 pressure side pool cleaner. This Legend 2 is actually meant for pressure side pools that do not require a booster pump. So you can actually get to use a standard size hose for these. So it is a cool cleaner. It's a little bit more universal for a lot of pools out there rather than just your typical pressure side pool cleaner that requires a dedicated line for it. So today we're going to show you guys how to get these wheels off by accessing the wheel screws on all four wheels. These typically do have a hubcap, so if you guys want to know how to get the hubcaps off, make sure you guys check out the description. We've got a whole playlist of videos that we're going to actually tear this cleaner from the outside in, so then that way you guys can figure out how to get to all of the working parts as well as all the wearable parts. So for today, we already took the hubcaps off, so as you guys can see, you have full access to all of the wheel screws on the outer edge of the cleaner. They are just a plastic screw with a plastic washer, so do not use any kind of power tools. I always suggest using a traditional hand tool. In this case, you're looking for a flathead screwdriver. To help grab the wheel screw, it might be better to have a larger one than I do today, but for demonstration purposes, it will fit in the slot just fine, and I'm just gonna take my time unscrewing them for you guys. So you're just gonna go tire by tire. It's really nice with these cleaners, since they are a four-wheel cleaner, you can actually set the whole cleaner up on two wheels at a time, especially when you're working on one side or the other. So you're just gonna go ahead and unscrew it. You guys can tell it's just a small plastic screw that does have the full threads on here that will thread into the axle of the cleaner. So if these are popping off or your wheel keeps popping off, it may be time to replace the wheel screws as well as the axles. We're gonna get into the axles in a later video, but for today, I just wanna show you guys how to access these screws and take them off. It is important to make sure that you keep the washer as well. The washer helps reduce any kind of friction against the ball bearings that are located in all the tires. So you guys can tell from the washer, it's actually beveled on one side, so it actually sticks up a little bit above the bearing, so it helps reduce wear and tear on those bearings. So to get to them, like I said, you're gonna have to take off the hubcap, and then it's just as simple as using a flathead screwdriver to loosen all the wheel screws, which we're gonna do for you guys right now. Once the wheel screws are off, the tires simply slide up. So here's a front tire and a back tire, and we're gonna flip it over and do the other side for you. Again, take your time, and like I said, it's probably better for a wider flathead screwdriver, just because you're not going to eat as much of the plastic up right there in the actual pivot point for the screws. So this is a display unit, so it hasn't been in the pool and it hasn't been exposed to the elements or chemicals, so everything's just from the factory, so it's not on as tight. It may not be on stuck as much as your typical one would be that you guys are working on, but I'm actually missing a wheel on this one too, so imagine there's actually a rubber wheel on this one as well. But to get the tires off, it's simple as removing those hubcaps and taking off those screws and making sure that you guys keep everything separated, so that when you do put them back on the cleaner, everything goes back where it was and everything wears even. So today, for our quick fix, we just wanted to show you guys how to remove the wheel screws and get access to the actual tire of the cleaner. Make sure you guys hit that like and subscribe button. I'm Kyle with ePoolSupply. Thanks for watching.
Hey everyone, thanks for watching. Subscribe today if you haven't subscribed. Check out the links below. We got a lot more content coming your way. Thank you.